What's going on? Jackson Hall with Joe Hall Roofing here today. Out here with Rolando. We're on one of our commercial clients' buildings out here. Just doing a little asset management for them. Gonna get these leaves cleaned off from these trees that have fallen down on these walls and around these drains. We'll keep you updated on our progress out here. All right, well, we just got done on this amp over here for our customer, and as you can see, all the leaves that were piled up along here have now been nicely collected in these bags, which will be taken off the roof of the customer just to improve the longevity of their roof system and ensure that their warranty is intact.